Midnight whispers, tree leaves sway, crickets singing night away. Moonlight paints the gentle brook. Nature writes a quiet book. Owls call echoes through the night. Fireflies dance with gentle light. Wind hums a lullaby. Stars blink stories in the sky. Sound of nature, soft and low. Quiet solace, rivers flow. Heartbeat of the lullaby. Stars blink stories in the sky. Sound of nature, soft and low. Quiet solace, rivers flow. Heartbeat of the earth so pure. Melody forever sure. Raindrops tap a window pane. Nature's song in sweet refrain. Roots beneath the soil entwine. Life in rhythm so divine. Eyes closed, feel the forest's breath. Hear the whispers in each step. Branches brush and streams caress.